to start by saying how grateful I am to have you in my life. Never in my dreams did I think I'd be standing here with my middle school sweetheart, especially since you dumped me since we got to high school. You make my life complete and you add so much more to it. You inspire me, you empower me, you challenge me to be better. Because of you, the best version of me stands before you today. Thank you for being the loving, beautiful, selfless person you are. I admire how you put everyone's needs before your own. Thank you for being an amazing mother and role model to our daughters. I see so much of them in you. Thank you so much for putting up with my passion to annoy you. I know you want to punch me every time, but you don't. Our journey here wasn't the straightest or the smoothest, but I thank you for taking every step with me. I promise to love you more, not more than you love me, and love you more than any problem we'll ever face. I promise to love and protect our family and be the best father figure I can be to our children and to always be there for them. I promise to never leave your side and treat you with respect and be faithful to you always for the rest of my life. I'm ready to be your husband.
Every single day I thank God for putting you in my life. That first time back in 1999 we were just kids and we fell madly in love. It wasn't meant to be and we went our separate ways. We grew up, lived life, had experiences, enjoyed happy moments and many hardships too. From those years apart came our precious girls. From that time apart, we became better people. God again worked his way and brought us back together as if he knew it was a time when we needed each other the most. All over again, I fell in love with you. Your heart of gold, your loud, contagious laugh, your ability to make me feel better after a long day, and how you keep life exciting. I especially love how you always put the girls and me first. I am blessed to be standing here by your side. Here in front of our loved ones, I would like to pledge my love and commitment to you. I promise to be respectful and truthful. I promise to support, encourage, and believe in you. I promise to love Kate as my own and to always be a positive role model for our children. I promise to communicate with an open mind and open heart. I promise to be patient and pray with you during the dark times. Lastly, I promise to value you as my life partner and best friend for the rest of my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time as husband and wife and family, Ken, Janessa, Jade, Caitlin, and Jasmine.
I thank God every day for giving me the most selfless, determined, and beautiful big sister that anyone could ask for. I'm so happy that you found someone who will take care of you the way you always take care of everyone else. You jokingly say that you're becoming less mature, and I just believe you found someone that brings out the best, and that person is Kenneth. Let us all raise a glass and toast to the new Mr.
of you. And something strange happening to me, but I can't wait to see you again. Calling for my best friend. Watch the clock, talk the tick tock until you come around. There's something in the way that you look at me. I found heaven in your eyes, heaven in your eyes. And something in the way that you smile at me. I found heaven in your eyes, heaven in your smile. Oh, and oh, I never knew